I came to this practice because a front tooth that had, the root had actually broken in half. Given it was a front tooth, I was really concerned with how it would look and who the dentist would be. I came to New Smile and met with Dr. Kwan. I felt really comfortable with him, and so I decided to move forward with a full replacement of all 6 front teeth to include a new implant. What I appreciate the most about this practice and the team is that they have really good communication, and they're also very thorough and detailed. The team explains the process. Even during the procedure, I like to know kind of what's going on, and they do a good job of explaining what to expect. So it was pretty cool. I got to design my own teeth and kind of pick out what they would look like and see sort of mock-ups of what that would look like, and then moved forward with the procedure, and now I have the smile that I have today. At this point, I won't go anywhere other than New Smile. I was in a time of need, and they came through and gave me a great smile.